Okay, ready?
Yeah, try that. So what we're doing here is a particular stitch that you use to close the trocar. Always say wherever you're standing, you do the upside first, and then you go down. And then once you do that, you cross them, and you can see it's almost like skiing. It pulls that skin together pretty nicely. And then you can just cut it. And then once you cut it, that's it. Now, to put the dermabond on, you wipe it off first. I usually use a pair of pickups to push the skin edges together. You don't have to, but it makes it easier if you use a pickup. So what we'll do is we'll just clamp it, put it together, push up on it. And with the mini dermabond, you have to put 2 layers. So you wait a second, put that first layer on, let it dry, and then you can release your pickups, and you can see it's already stained. And then what we'll do is we'll put a second coat on, and give it about a minute or 2 to dry, and that's it. And that's how you close a 5mm trocar site. So this is our 12mm trocar site. So this one you close a little differently because you have to do it in 2 separate stitches. So again, the first stitch is up to you, or from inside the incision out to the dermal epidermal junction, and the second one is down. So epidermal down to subcutaneous tissue. What we're doing is we're essentially dividing this into thirds. So you can think of, it's not a halfway mark, it's a half mark and another half of that. So you're basically splitting into 1/3, 2/3, 3/3. So that junction in between 1/3 and the junction between 2/3, that's how you close it. And you can see it's actually closed down pretty good. And you could dermabond this, but because it's a 12mm incision, when you pull on it, you see it open up again. So again, underneath the dermis to the dermal epidermal junction, and then the second stitch is the dermal epidermal junction down deep below the dermis. And again, it's the same technique to tie it. You then come in and apply your dermabond midi. So again, you wipe off the tissues and make sure there's no blood around it, because it will hold the blood down to the incision. And it'll get dark when the patient goes home. So just again, this one we're pulling to the side as opposed to pushing up, just because it's in the belly button. So then you rub it in, give it a little crunch, get the stuff coming out. Wait a second, and give it another crunch. And you put that second application on there. And you let it relax, and that's it. That's how you put it on.